So at a very young age, we realized how interested Miles was in building robots. And he showed just as much interest in coding them as he did in building them.
My name is Miles Davis. I was born in Washington, D.C., and I'm 16 years old. My hobbies and interests are chess, robotics, STEM, computer science.
We came across the Verizon Innovative Learning Program at Howard campus that was STEM focused.
What makes this program at Howard unique is that we not only focus on the excellent STEM curriculum that Verizon provides, but we also focus on community.
We weren't just working with the technology, we were also learning about what issues can this tech solve.
When Miles was in the program, he was that person who could help bring the group back together and center the idea or the work.
After the Verizon Innovative Learning Program, I went on to join robotics teams and I participated in different competitions. Being a part of this program really showed me how important it is to work with teams to solve real-world issues, because nobody can do it alone.
Now he's involved with the National Society of Black Engineers, and next thing we know, here comes this mindset to be an entrepreneur, and Being Powered was launched.
I'm looking forward to continuing to grow and expand my clothing brand, also college, and I definitely want to learn the electrical trade. Everything I do is about solving a problem or fulfilling a need. It's for a greater purpose.